Hey, we're trimming some fruit trees, and I thought I'd show you what we're doing. And the best way to explain trimming a fruit tree, you don't want the branch to touch each other. In other words, no social distancing. You want social distancing in your limbs. This is what I mean. Okay, Thad, show them where they go together.
Well, this one's gonna eventually touch.
See how they're gonna touch each other? If they're gonna touch each other, you gotta cut it off.
Let those two are. I'll get this one.
Because no social distancing.
We got any more, or is that good for now? Let me get this one.
Yeah, this one here is gonna touch that one. See how it crosses over?
Which one?
Those two right there.
Oh, these?
No, Thad. Okay. See these two limbs? They're going to touch each other.
Oh, yeah, right here.
And you can't be touching each other right now. Okay. And now you just thin it out. The top, Thad, trim some off the top because you got to get light into your tree. And he picked the weakest branches ever. Okay.
I'll get two of these.
No, honey. This one here is crossing over and touching this one. You can't be touching each other right now. And that's how we go about trimming our fruit trees so they get air. And this is the time we start spraying. See how these are crossing over? And he's trimming them out. This one here is crossing over that one. See how he's trimming those out?
We'll get that.
We got our our early garden planted. We got our peas and our potatoes and our lettuce in the garden, and we got in the cold frame, we got tomatoes and onions, tomatoes and peppers and broccoli.
I'm just gonna bring that one home. Oh, this one will grow that way.
We're out trimming the apple trees.
I think it's a cherry.
This is a cherry tree.
I hope that one comes alive out there.
Hey, Susan. What are you talking about?
Yeah, other ones are cherry.
Thad's known for killing our cherry trees really well. You have a bird's nest in this one. Yeah, this one don't need a lot of trimming, I don't think.
I'll get that.
This one here needs trimmed out because it's going over that one.
Yeah, forget the big one.
Yeah, we're just getting stuff ready for spring, and thought we'd show how to trim our fruit trees. Hey, Susan. Yep, you can't be touching right now. Hey, Carolyn. So sorry about to hear about your dad. Prayers for you and the family. I'm gonna let you go. I just wanted to show you guys how to trim fruit trees. The biggest thing with trimming your fruit trees is you want to make sure the limbs aren't going to cross over, and you want to open the tree up enough so you get sunlight into the tree. And you want to make sure Thad doesn't hit you with the limbs. How's Thad's thumb? He's losing the nail on it.
I've lost part of it.
He's lost part of the nail, and he don't have to have surgery, but that's a blessing. Talk to y'all later.